Hey guys, guess what? Swiggy Instamart is giving free gift on occasion of Rakhi. Let's check out. Interested? Let's get going. Hello, namaste. How are you doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? आप कैसे हो? As you see here, free lifafas or free envelopes are attached to Swiggy Instamart bag, and you see here a coloring contest. If you want to participate, you can check this out on Swiggy Instamart, and you have your offers. This chips we have got it for rupees 20. You have 9 rupee deals as well. These chips taste super good, and you have the dates on offer price. So coming to the free gift, you can visit the rakhi store and add to the cart any kind of rakhi. Automatically a free gift would be added. So as here comes the free gift from Kalyan Jewelers. This is a gift card. It says with token of love and care with the Swiggy Instamart logo. So we'll open this up, and you have lots of love from Kalyan Jewelers, and you can see here gift card is embedded. It is 2,100 worth gift card. You can redeem at any Kalyan Jeweler stores. If you want, you can extend the card validity also by scanning the QR code as shown in the picture. Okay, you can use this gift card at Kalyan Jewelers on purchase of any gold, platinum, diamond jewelry products. So you're getting 2,100 worth free gold, right? Or jewelry or any other valuable or precious products. So here is the lifafa for use. You can give to your loved ones. Okay, coming to free gift plus free cash. As you see in the picture, you can go to Swiggy Instamart. Here you see free cash is available for all the 5 orders. If no free cash, free gift would be there in the orders, as you see here. So whenever you place an order, bear in mind to use this free cash or free gifts, and you have deals of the day at rupees 9, and you can go to Rakhi store as shown in the video to get this Kalyan voucher or gift card worth rupees 2,100. If you want free gold or diamond jewelry products, so what you does is you can click on the banner of that and add to cart rakhi. You can add any kind of rakhi. Once you add, you can go to view cart, and here you see free gift voucher or free gold voucher is auto added. If you want more gifts, you can go to view coupons and offers as shown in the picture. Just tab view add-on offers, and you can go down, and you have here sample store. Click on view items and add any of these items from the sample store and go to view cart. A free gift would be added as shown in the picture, and you can claim free cash as well as shown here. If you don't have free cash, you can go to coupons again and apply a coupon as I am 50 off to get 50 off on your order value. So here are Rakhi free gifts plus free cash plus coupon. Do enjoy. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.